Hey everyone, New England Gardening here with a quick unboxing video. This is a Russian Pomegranate Salavatski, and I sort of bought it for its flowers, and because I heard hummingbirds like the flowers on this and seem to be concentrating on attracting some hummingbirds to the property with some other flowers instead of just the feeder. I do have bee balm if they like, but I have a bunch of wildflowers that I started from seed in the lean-to, and a couple of plants that I've purchased, agastache. But yeah, this is Russian pomegranate, so let's take a look. It's from Edible Landscaping. Purchased this on my own, no affiliation or association with them. Okay. Wow. Sort of looks like a olive tree to me, from what I've seen online. I have no experience with pomegranates or what they look like, so my first impression was I thought it looked like the leaves from an olive tree. So nicely packed. There it is. Interesting. I didn't know what to expect, but so yeah, this is, let's take a look at the label here. I actually toyed with the idea of getting an olive tree. So Pomegranate Salavatski, and it says here hardy to 8 degrees Fahrenheit, hard seeded. So zone 7 to 10, like sun. Zone 6 with protection, well planted out of the wind. So I was watching a YouTube video, I forgot about Low G's. They have one called Big Red, I think, and they put theirs in a cold greenhouse. So maybe in the wintertime I could take this and put it in the greenhouse. Let's take a look. My plan was to put it in this barrel. To me, that's too big for it, but maybe I could put it in here with some other plants. So I just cleaned out this area. I want to put a bunch of flowers in here, bee and or pollinator attracting and bumblebee and hummingbird attracting plants. So I was thinking of using this once I get everything mulched down here. Don't know if I want to keep the Niagara grapevine, which I just pruned all the way back last year. I thought it was dead, but then I see some pink buds there. There's a leaf right there coming out. So yeah, I spent yesterday clearing this area. And I forgot I had, looking at these plants here in the ground. I forgot about all about this one. I think this is a bittersweet, but you need a male and a female, so I'm not certain Where else did I have something? Oh yeah, over here. I think this is still alive. Right here. Thought I saw something that was giving me the impression it was alive. But we'll see. Oh yeah, these buds look like they were... Okay, there are green buds. It's still pretty chilly. I think it's in the 50s, 50, and windy. So I just put some mulch on the raised bed here. I was concerned about the wind whipping the snow peas around before the tendrils had a chance to cling to anything, so I threw in some sticks as I cleared that area I just showed you. Soybeans look okay. This lettuce looks actually pretty good. The better ones that transplanted. So these marigolds don't look too beat up. So one thing growing inside is they don't get toughened up by the wind when they're inside. Trying to save. This might be raspberry wine, bee balm, or Jacob Klein, not sure. But yeah, cleared that area out yesterday and decided to try out this cold hardy pomegranate. Almost looks like it could be a vine. So this is New England gardening. This is Pomegranate Salavatski, Russian pomegranate, 8 to 12 feet. Broadleaf shrub, deciduous broadleaf shrub. So that's it, just a short video on this. This is New England gardening on this windy day. Got a cotton ball taped over the built-in mic on this, which has worked in the past, so hopefully it's working right now. On this blustery New England day in May. Thanks for watching.